Happy Friday, everyone. I think these things are hanging lower and lower every time I do a video. I don't know why. I'm going to have to eventually when I feel better. Like, I'm wearing rags today, literally, because I want to do this, and if I get messy, I'm not going to care tonight. This is my second canvas pouring that I've done. I'm not doing the prep in front of the camera this time. I started doing videos on how I mix the paint. I shouldn't say how to, because I'm by far being the second canvas I poured on, and I've only poured on one wood. You're joining with me, you're learning with me. Let me see if I can do this better. Yeah, if you want to learn this and you're as nervous as I was going, and you're overthinking or whatever, you know, just try it. You don't have to go haywire and buy a lot of stuff. Like, the blue that I'm using is like $1 for 2 ounces. I'm using glue and water as the medium. So let's get started. Let's see what happens with this canvas. I am going with the same color scheme as my very first canvas. I am doing the caramel, or is it caramel, color for the base paint and the pillow paint, so that way I don't have to go back and go around the edges. I'm doing 1 cup today because I did 2 cups the last time, and I'm going to put all the same colors that I did before. I'm trying to figure out, I think I can do, I want to say I can do this, that, I don't know, maybe I need more white in between stuff. We'll see. Let's get the pillow paint now. Let's get this party going here. Let's get this paint pouring. Let's get this paint pouring. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Don't get me started. You do not want me to start singing to you. So I'm going to do a nice big pillow. So basically I mix the glue, 60% glue to 40% distilled water. And then with my paint, I want it thinner, so I did it 50-50 this time, 50 paint, 50 glue and water mixture. You could definitely go 2/3 glue and water against the paint from what I've seen on other videos. So let's do a nice barrier. I have the gray. You know what? Yes, I've got the gray. The wild card is this yellow. And as I'm saying that, this yellow had the silicone in it. So, you know what? I didn't add it today. So I'm going to be brave because I want lots and lots of cells today. So we're going to go, wow. You gotta open it, girl. We're going to go 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've seen people put 1 or 2 drops and they get these really awesome. And my thingy is doing that dark light again. I do not understand why my phone's doing this. And this is my other device too. It's not like it's, I don't know. I have different filming devices, and this is the second one, and nothing's really changed. I don't know. Sorry about that. But I did get a cool new accoutrement for my videos. So let's start with white, just because. Get some white in there. Ooh, that white's, I don't know if it's thinner when it floats or thicker when it floats. I don't know offhand. So putting the cells in, look at the whites coming out. Ooh, it's getting aggressive, that white is. I likey. Let's see about the green. I'm getting on the outside of the cup because, you know, wow. I didn't have a blue squeeze cup done yet, so I didn't create any blue squeeze cup yet. This just loves to go out on that side. If you remember, I did put the number 28 box under my 12 by 12 board. So maybe I just have it, there we go, maybe just tilt it slightly. There's the shipping box that fits under there. And what this does is it prevents the canvas from sagging. Nobody wants a saggy canvas. So they say. I just find it funny. Yeah, it's still coming out on that side. I don't know what's going on. I never know what's going on. I'm gonna have to get different like mini cups. Put a nice brown in there. Woohoo! Supposedly you're only supposed to do like 4 ounces on this, but last time I think I had about 8 ounces, and I don't think it was enough somewhat. So I don't know what this is going to do. Put some gray in there. It just wants to do all my coloring to the left. Isn't that a song, To the Left? I think that's a song. And I can't sing it or play it because I'll probably get in trouble. We're just going to keep going. Now it's sliding that way, so that's interesting. Yes. All the fun. Let's get more cells in there, maybe. Supposedly you're not supposed to store paint that you've mixed with silicone because it's going to make your cells go crazy. I'd like to test that theory because I want sales. And this is not staying as sealed to the canvas. We need blue. There's like no blue in there. There's like no blue. There we go. Got the blue going there. There's no blue after that. Ooh. Okay, let's take this off. Put this to rest. It's kind of neat. I was supposed to do this last night, but I think I had bad cream cheese on Wednesday. You know, I'm getting paint all over this. I'm breaking this in good. So I think I had bad cream cheese, and yeah, no, that was not good on Wednesday night. So there's lots of bubbles. So let's get my heat gun all hot. All hot and bothered. Okay, it's ready. Pop some of these babies. Oh yeah, they're popping down. There's some cell action. There's some cell action in this one. I kept wanting to say bubbles last time. Ooh. Let's go this way with it. Just because, oh my. Already get my hand wet. I can feel it. I can feel it. I like this because the messy, out of controlness of your, if you're like a person that doesn't like this soupy, slurpy stuff, this definitely will add a little challenge to you, but at the same time distract you from it. Or so I think for myself. I can't think for you, and I can't tell you what your experience is. There's a little bit more on that. Look at that. Ooh, come on. Just roll over that edge, my baby. Wow, look at that. Let's bring that back. Ooh. Because my first canvas, it's just at 2 weeks now. So I think my first canvas, I'm going to explore putting the cleaning and putting the finish on it. Let's see if we can get this to roll up in there. It rolled up on, ooh. And the nice thing about buying these house paints and stuff like that is you can buy a whole gallon of them and not worry. I guess it works out to be less expensive to be house paints and rolling off. Lowe's had told me that pretty much all their house paints are acrylic. And they have many artists that come in to do that, to buy a whole bunch, just like this, to do this. It's a great paint that is a pillow paint, a transferring paint, and so forth. Okay. Ooh. Let's see. Ooh, look at that coming out. I really wanted more. Okay, where did my tweezers go? There is a lump. Wow. This kind of reminds me of like a... Ooh, look at that big chunk of stuff. This is where if you get a special strainer just for your paints, you'd probably be really, really happy. And my sink, I know my sink is pretty bad right now. I have an empty dishwasher right now. It was a battle. Do I bend and twist and empty and do my dishes? Because by the time I'm done doing dishes, sometimes I'm in too much pain to do this. So it's kind of a battle what I can do. I so want to. Let's try this silicone thing again. Let's try, this is, I saw JMO do this, and I looked it up. Yes, his name is JMO. He was at the bottom of my first video. This is horrible. I'm gonna have to be, gloves. Andrea, did you say you needed gloves? You needed gloves. Oh, exciting news. So what I've been doing, I don't have an affiliate account with Amazon. I might get one, I haven't decided. I did have one at one time, but then I got sick again in pain and I just couldn't keep up with it. And I lost it. And they told me I could reapply again, which I'm happy. So what I did instead is I did kind of like a wish list. So that way, if you guys want to know what I'm using, or you want to know different things that I'm eyeing, I did a wish list that you can buy off of for yourself. But at the same time, if you don't want to, if you want me to try something because you just don't want to do it, you can also ship it to me. So it's kind of like a registry thing that I created so you can see. There's not enough green. Let's be brave. Let's be brave. Boom, 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 boom. Let's see. Boom. I did this the last time and I got like that mini dog thing from it. See, these cells things that JMO did, they're working this time. They're kind of adding the thing. And this is the moment where you go, did I mess up? Did I make a splotch that was too splotchy? Gloves, girl. What part of gloves don't you understand? I know, right? Okay. And so this plastic straw will be my dedicated blowing straw. This almost looks like a gemstone, how it's coming across. I don't want to set this down and get paint on it and then try to blow on it. Let's put some yellow and then we'll put the green on top. I think the green on top will be good. There's no right way, there's no wrong way. You just got to go with the flow and see what your eyes capture. Yeah, I'm gonna have to work on my cell game. Ooh, this little guy's trying to drip on my floor. So far, my floor has been safe from my escapades here. My counter, not so good. Well, it could be worse, but not so good. There we go. Got a little more balance in there, moving around. I can't wait to see what comes out if I see any kind of, ooh, character? Ooh. Ooh. Let's see if I can. Did I get my hair broken into this too? I'm trying to paint my hair color. Okay. I don't know. That kind of looks like a space mask, and like this is a spaceman coming out. I don't think I want to touch him. And it looks like he's riding some kind of fun little shell thing. Ooh. I can't wait until this dries and this cures. I'm gonna pause you for 2 seconds because I'm gonna rinse my hands off, and then I'm gonna go get my other canvas, and I want to show you where it's at, my other canvas. Hold on. Okay, I have returned. So this is my other canvas right here. The brown was definitely prominent in there. We'll see if the brown darkens back up like it did on this one. This one is the one where you see the dog types creature, the fish, the whimsical cape wearer. That's either 2 individuals or one with a big nice cape. You got the person in the background. You got the hand up there doing some magic and stuff. So that was my first pour, quite unexpected there. So this one, I will be fascinated if this does come out like it's a creature or being that's floating on some kind of leaf aerodynamic thing into like an agate world, or is it a mineral gem world? Yeah, how exciting. This is fun. I encourage everyone that wants to try to learn, just dive in and start, and then hopefully probably this weekend, maybe next weekend, I will get to cleaning this. I'm on the fence because I don't want anything to happen to it. All right, guys, that was an exciting pour. I will put the color of paints that I used down below. I will put the link for the Amazon kind of like gift registry thing, so that way if you want to see what products I'm eyeing to buy to move forward with this, you guys can join me, and maybe I'll have like a let's do art together eventually, maybe, because I have so many ideas. Take care. Thank you for learning with me.